Guys, Mabel here and welcome again to my channel. Yes, I'm in Bukidnon right now and it's already like 7:30 and I'm heading to Davao because I'll be flying tomorrow to Cebu. So I'm gonna miss this place again. It's actually my, I don't know, I think my 5th day here. And yes, by the way, this is where I live. It's really a farm, like a farmville. Yup. This is a durian, coconut, and I think we have a mangosteen over there, and this one there, durian also. So my father is waiting, so I think I need to go now. Ni naami sa Asata, Eden, sabi? Nature Park. And Eden is here. Hi, welcome to Pinas na. Yeah. Thanks for being us in your park. Mama. Hi, Tita. Hi, Em. Vista Restaurant. Happy birthday, Eds!
Happy birthday to you!
Happy birthday! Wow! Free lunch! Let's eat na! Time! Hi! Wow! Banana! Bye, Mama. I'll miss you, Mama. Bye-bye, Mama. Love you. Nagkuha na lang siyang map. Pakita na lang sa mga apo. Bye. Bye. Bye, Papa. Take care. Love you. Bye-bye. I love Eden. Ah, you really have your place here. Eden.
By the way, I am Sarah, your tour guide for today, and our driver si Kuya Julie. Okay, so our tour po will take 45 minutes to 1 hour. Then we have 3 stopovers. In every stop, we have 5 to 6 minutes to take pictures. Stop will be now. So it's our beef lettuce, and we have the bread salad ball at this spot. Only 35 days from planting, pwede na siyang i-harvest. 35 days? 35 days, yes. Here is our holiday lodge. It's a deluxe type of rooms. Each cottage is 4 rooms, and each room still good for 2 bucks. On the other side, on your left, that's the holiday terraces, which currently use box. Yes, perfect siya for the seminars, meetings, workshop, and also intimate weddings, which can accommodate 70 katak. 70, yes, ma'am.
now we're on our second stop here at Bagani. Tinubdan. That thing. Yeah, it's there. The name is over there. So, hi! Welcome to Tinubdan. What's the meaning sa Tinubdan?
Sinugdanan.
A tribute to the richness of indigenous people's heritage.
Sinugdan.
Tinubdan is Sinugdan? The beginning? Ah, yeah. Okay. Oh, mga tribes like that. Go, 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 go. See?
That's Leo. So here you're gonna see the colorful wishing well and a very friendly Carabao.
Welcome to Lola's Garden. This is our third and last stop here at Eden. Hello. Unsa na siya, Ed? Opo. Oh, that's Opo. Opo in English is what?
I don't know.
Unsa na siya, tita?
Opo. Yes.
Hey, yes. Opo, yes. Opo in English is yes. Yes, good.
Sige. Oh, nag-record. Kaya, imagine sila sa Pilipinas, no? May nagkapo.